And we're back. Let's see, mechanical is halfway, we already knew that. Electrical objectives. I think we're gonna stay with 6. I'm gonna go with another heavy cargo. They disassemble so well. These usually never count as anything.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Now there was a way I could cut through. I thought both of them at the same time, if I get this angle right. Like that. Wow, that actually cut through 3 of them. Wait, does this go? No, this is... Yeah, this is furnace. Alright, let's see if we can get this.
Material deposited.
3, nice. That counts as mechanical? What the hell? No.
Deposit accepted.
I don't know. I've got 2 entrances.
Airlock pressure levels dropping.
Let's go down, take care of business.
Airlock pressure levels increasing.
There's our shipping containers we like to see. Do we have a key? No. Okay, we'll pick one up. Pressurized cargo hold.
Air pressure level decreasing.
That should be all the cargo doors, cargo doors. Busting through. We need to get this side. Those doors are opening up with authority. left side has not been vented yet.
Object accepted for processing.
The right side should be.
Airlock pressure levels dropping.
Alright, the door's open. Lots of mechanical. We need to get those switches. This is. I think this is actually free. Yep. This. Not really sure it's worth the effort. Doesn't take that much time anyway.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Can they be chained together like that? I mean, can you imagine just working in space and this is the view that you see every day? Jeez.
Processing valuable object. Credit awarded.
Alright, let's finish separating this outer hull. One should be free. Now the flight deck is still pressurized, which I want to keep it that way. So when I separate it, it actually forcibly separates from the rest of the ship.
Valuable object processed. Credit deposited.
This one, I believe this goes into the processor. It says furnace, but I don't really think that it always registers correctly. Make sure it's gone. Still says furnace. What is this? Barge, there it is. Yeah, that all goes together. Didn't count. There we go.
Credits transferred.
It's array complete. Terminals, how many? 8. It's not bad. We used to see numbers in the 20s. I think they had dialed that back. Probably would have said in the patch notes, but I hardly, if ever, read those. Oh, turn that off. That is taking the entire side of the ship with us. We are not.
Your oxygen reserves are low. Note that excess carbon dioxide can cause damage to Link's equipment.
There we go.
Air pressure level decreasing.
There it goes. Hold together. What happened? Well, let's just go tank up and come back.
Oxygen reserves are critical. Affordable oxygen supplies are available for purchase at the master jacks. Oxygen levels stabilizing.
Some of our coolant's
You got
left.
5 minutes left in this shift. Knock out that work order before they turn the lights out on you. We were out.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Let's just stay nice and low. What was that from? High speed, low drag. Is that from StarCraft? High speed, low drag. It's not from Epic Game Store. I can say that. Do people still even acknowledge that thing exists?
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that was clear. What? It just broke apart? That's new.
Raw material processed. Credits
I
deposited.
think it was aluminum anyway, so it was headed that place regardless. 3 minutes. See, there's a lot of empty space in this, which makes me think that additional ship does, because basically they're all designed the same right now, but I think that you see, I need to finish that video. This is a lot of carbon going in there.
Valuable object processed. Credits
I
awarded.
think you can chain them together. It certainly looks like it. How much time do you have left? 2 minutes? Yeah, it doesn't matter what we burn on tethers.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
Which is that 3? No. Too much mass. Something holding this one. Let's take a look. Those are free.
Object processed. Credits deposited.
Oh, something's holding this still. There it is.
One minute left, Cutter. Time to start wrapping things up. We wrap.
Make sure those are free. 1 minute left. Okay. Well, let's see if we can't get this off. Just like that. Get a resupply of tethers when we start over.
Processing.
Let's see if that one counted. 1.5. We'll take it. How can we? Well, I think we're saving up. Got our work suit. We could do more. We're saving up for level 10. Could do more range. Level 10. Can purchase that. Yeah, we want to keep our credits until we get to level certification 10, rank 10.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
Welcome to Vendatron 9000. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase.
These are terminals.
Processing valuable object. Credits awarded.
Does this count? No. Nope.
Salvage deposit
The hell?
accepted. Credits transferred.
Nope. Not those.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Yes.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied. Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
It's a pretty clean job so far. One small fragment, which I will
Credits transferred.
clean up. Is terminal gonna count? Let's see.
Credits
I think
deposited.
this is monitor display. It doesn't count as a terminal. No, that one did count. See, I just don't. I don't know. Okay, this small piece right here.
Account credit
We're gonna
applied.
make this the cleanest salvage yet. Do we have to start separating the center sections, the panels? That's gonna turn into a mess. Is this middle section free? I think so.
Processing valuable
I think
objects.
not.
Credits awarded.
Aluminum panel loss, that's okay. Let's get these salvaged. Yeah, I should make sure to clear all the aluminum off of that carbon. It takes a little more time, but I guess it's more thorough.
Object accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
Caution. Tether supplies running low.
I think level 10 we can get our tethers up to supply up to
Salvage deposit
50,
accepted.
which will
Credits transferred.
pretty much get us through one shift.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Let's just send it. Be done with it. We'll have to tank back up anyway in a few minutes. Alright, let's head back to the aft.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Cut it this side.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Yes, I do need to get a key. When we tank up, we'll get a key and see if it'll accept it. I could try to look. Yeah, we'll look real quick. Should only be one or two sections of the ship that are still pressurized. Well, we know this section right here is. Actually, let's just open the door.
Airlock pressure levels dropping.
Perfect. Alright, we're not closing that door again. What's this? Process it.
Cutter, you're out of tethers. Get yourself over to the kiosk to buy some more.
Some more. And we'll head over there.
Valuable
60,
object processed.
70,
Credits awarded.
120 seconds. We'll head over there. Now, do we need crane? Thruster mechanical, carbon, metal, fuel, coolant terminal, hoist, regulators, rail guide. See, we need the hoist and the rail guide, and I believe the rail guide can only be, I think this is the bug because you used to be able to separate these, and since the new patch they don't separate anymore. I think that's a problem. Yeah, so one of these has to go into the barge, I believe. Well, let's see what happens. It's light enough, fortunately. Industrial
Salvage
horse,
secured. Credits deposited.
rail guide. Okay, so this second side goes into the processor. We might be doing something wrong with that.
Warning. Your oxygen reserves are dropping below statistically profitable levels.
I mean, this is perfectly clean so far. Yeah, the objective list is something I can display and remove.
Welcome to Vintage Rock.
Oxygen, utility
Oxygen levels
key,
stabilizing.
tethers. Okay, let's try this out. What is this? Turn that off. I keep hitting the wrong spot. What's this?
Valuable object processed. Credits
Alright, that's
deposited.
clear.
Got about 5 minutes left in this
Let's try
ship,
it.
Cutter. Don't
All
bite
right.
off more than you can chew. Weaver out.
Object
Thrusters are
accepted.
safe.
Processing. Credits deposited.
We still have to deal with the fuel, but that's... With the thrusters deactivated like that, it makes the reactor much easier to deal with as well. Let's use these tethers that we went to go get.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Is this aluminum? Yes. Is that still attached though? It was. Let's disconnect that. It's a weird connection.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
Yeah, I'm not going to worry about that small piece of carbon. We'll just send it all. This needs to go here. So does that.
Valuable object processed. Credits deposited.
What is this doing down
Salvage
here?
secured. Account credit applied.
Should be enough to make it. Now it will be. Ship's starting to rotate. Stuff's getting loosened up. Something's holding that. It's the radiator. Is that the entire? No, it's not. Okay. I thought that was the entire aft section that held the rocket. Tether's not set right.
Caution. Tether
Not set
supplies
right
are low.
again. Even though I'm putting it on this side. Okay, that one will do it though. how far those rockets have shifted, those thrusters.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Yeah, we burnt through 50 tethers. It's alright, we'll send this one manually.
All right, Cutter. Wrap it up. You got about a minute left.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Another radiator. 3. Carefully swing it around. It's good. Got it.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Doors, terminals. I mean, we just have to get mechanical anyway, although that was on the outside, so I did not get that one. Oh, didn't make it. No, it did. I heard it. 4.7, pretty good.
Welcome to Vintatron 9000. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase.
Need these. Rail guide. Oh, okay, so I don't know how this works. That rail guide that's in the barge has the hoist attached to it, the crane basically. If I cut that free,
Salvage secured. Credits
oh, this
deposited.
definitely still has oxygen in it. Atmosphere. It's not just oxygen, there's some probably nitrogen in there as well, maybe some argon. Any of those noble gases besides helium and radions should be
Salvage
fine.
secured. Account credit applied.
What do we need? Fuel, all of the fuel still. Well, let's just open this up.
Air pressure level decreasing.
2 drives. Then we know this is empty. Processor. Yeah, we just have to collect all of these for the certification. 9 or level. I just can't remember that. Rank 10.
Credits awarded.
I didn't hear it. Did not hear it connect. Oh, I think I see it too. I think that's it. Okay. Not sure why these aren't connecting. What is this? Yeah, it's... Wow, finally.
Salvage
Jeez.
deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Guess we gotta be real careful how we send that stuff down there. No horsing around. Alright, let's get these thrusters out of here. These are high value. I think it's 1.5 for all three.
Object accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
Yeah, we'll get these out of here first, then we'll deal with the fuel in case they go up.
Salvage secured.
Yeah, I am required to get all three to complete the... It's like worth the most too, as far as LT. We'll just force this thing through. There we go. It's fine now.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
That thing moved pretty far. The thing about like fuel is that
Account credit applied.
you send it to the barge, it hits something, it ignites, you get credit for it, and it also destroys it. Which I think it would be one or the other,
Credits deposited.
not both. That one's leaking. Let's get rid of it.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Didn't count. Yeah, that one wouldn't count. Must have been something in the way.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Reel it in a little bit. Yeah, it just bounced right off.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Okay, let's get this traveling. This outside section should be enough room. Send it up here. This can definitely go up. Wrong angle for that one. Try this again. Yeah, they definitely made that center section different. Used to be one piece, and now it's several. Look, this is level 6. You don't need to make it easier. Class 6, grade 6, I think is actually what it's called. I'll send this one up here.
Credits awarded.
Okay, that's all traveling. What do we have left? Nanocarbon, no problem. Terminals. There's gonna be several more somewhere. Hopefully this one counts. Yep.
Salvage secured.
Regulator, 2
Account
more
credit applied.
somewhere. Must be in here. No? Oh, there's gonna be one on the flight deck.
Oxygen reserves are low. Reminder, asphyxiation can lead to missed salvage quotas.
Tethers,
Salvage
about
secured.
half.
Credits deposited.
Yeah, we'll just top off with that too.
Oxygen levels stabilizing.
This one's pretty profitable as well. Alright, which side has 2 fuses? This side has 1. Okay, the 2 are right on top. Let's just keep them apart. It's
Electrical
okay.
damage.
Yeah, I picked that one up. We have better electrical insulation. There's the last one. Probably gonna get better electrical insulation too. It's all 3. Pretty rough, but we got them.
Cutter, there's
Send
5
that thing
minutes
down there.
remaining in this shift. Get in while the getting's
There
good.
has to be another way to get those fuses.
Salvage secured.
There
Account
just
credit
has to
applied.
be. Ran out of time. Let's add another one. Okay, yeah, this piece made it. It's ready to go down. Alright, so what do we have to do here? Let's get this piece out of the way. We're going to do complete vaporization. It's definitely slower, but it leaves the yard a lot cleaner. Not that that even matters. We almost ran out of time on that one. Actually, yeah, this side has got a little bit more room. We'll send it over here. That's clear.
Valuable object.
Okay, that's good.
Credits deposited.
I'll wait until how much time do you have left? 2 minutes. Let's see if we can't get these 2 in there. Yeah, we'll have to do one more shift. At least one more shift. Yeah, I'd like to see all of the nanocarbon in there. I don't know if 2 minutes is enough time to pull this over there. Yeah, it definitely will be. Okay, let's traveling. All that's left is coolant. I don't want to start the reactor section yet. So we'll see if we can't find the last regulator. It must be in here. Yeah, it is.
accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
Coolant's not done, but we know where that is. I hope. There's none left out here. Gonna cut this a little differently this time. I'm gonna leave this attached.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
Cutter, we're getting down to the wire. Let's put a bow on this shift.
Get this one. What's gonna hold this out inside? We still have the 4 shelving units. Once we pull those, no, it's not. It should be. Yeah, that's not the case this time because how we cut that off. Let's see if it's free. Yeah, it is. Okay. 3.7, nice. Nanocarbon thrusters 1.3. $30,000 almost.
Welcome to Vendatron 9000. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase.
Alright, reactor time. Let's get this cut out of the way first. Okay. Actually, we can just deal with this now.
Raw material processed. Credits deposited.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna pull these panels off because it seems to go smoother with these are off. Like there's 2 sections to this reactor. There's like a core and then there's like an interface essentially. Because that's all we really need is that piece right there, and if those side panels are attached, this gets dragged with it.
Processing valuable objects.
Structural
Credits
aluminum.
awarded.
Okay. I think we're ready. This should be the rest of our coolant too. No, it's not. That means there's some more floating around somewhere.
Reactor meltdown triggered. Action urgently required.
Can't really clear a spot. Something's in the way. This piece.
Valuable object.
Right there's good.
Credits deposited.
It's gonna push the entire ship vertical. Oh my god. It's okay. There it is.
Salvage deposit accepted.
Take this
Credits transferred.
ring. What's this? A light? Yes, it is. Send this down. Jeez, that moves pretty fast.
Object accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
And now, which side was that on? Underneath. No, this thing's been twisted. I can't even understand what I'm looking at. Where is it? There's like no spot. Okay, so it should be this wall, but there's like nothing there. Alright, well, I was expecting to see a recessed spot where the pipe went through. Just take this out of the way, drop the panel out. Still a little bit left. Seem to want to come out very, very quickly. Yeah, I hate how that's not lined up. That's so annoying. This is processor, okay. I believe you.
Processing
Take
valuable
that.
object.
Not that it
Credits
asked for it, but it's still fairly valuable. Okay, computer terminals. Where? It's just furniture. There's none in here. Oh wait, there's those weird sections of the ship that we ran into this before. They're like built into the wall. What is that?
Material deposited.
No, it's the part of the reactor that held the fuel and coolant. They were on like the outside of the ship. Furnace. No, that's not what we're looking for. Furnace processor. What is that? Heat spreader can go into the furnace. And this is the processor. See what happens. No.
Salvage destroyed.
Yeah, there it is.
Please refrain from damaging salvage.
I don't know how. You'd have to separate that by hand, basically. I don't see the terminals on this piece. So let's just trash this one. It must be over here. Barge.
Credits deposited.
300 kilograms. It's got some heft.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Warning. Oxygen reserves are low.
Not seeing the terminals.
Welcome to Vintatron 9000. Thank you for your...
Oxygen levels stabilizing.
Mechanical. But we'll see what happens with that huge piece of the ship we just threw in there.
Material processed. Credits deposited.
Yep, terminals are still in there. I should have looked better. But coolant is still somewhere. That means I believe that one barrel we launched did not count, so we'll have to check that too if we have enough time left.
Alright, Cutter, you got 5 minutes left.
I don't want this to be another session because it'll be a waste.
Valuable object processed. Credits deposited.
Alright, let's just check this real quick. See if there's any more mechanical. Yes, there is. Mechanical, it's pretty high too. It's like 300. Wow. Wow, that's impossible to get. I need like 6 more. I mean, is this ladder considered
Valuable
mechanical?
object processed. Credits awarded.
Access ladder. It's gonna be difficult getting this thing out. How about this? Oh wow. There it goes, going into orbit. We made it. Did not count.
Salvage deposit accepted.
Okay, we might need one more shift. This is the top. This is the side facing in this ship. Well, it wouldn't be like this, but nothing in here. 3 minutes left. Well, there's only one way to test this.
Object accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
Okay, we gotta make a sweep down here.
Credit applied.
What is this? Barge. It didn't make it? Wow. That made it. Which one did we fail? Heat spreader. Well, that's fine.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
What is this? There's fragments, furnace. They didn't count. Oh, that's in. Oh yeah, there's this thing. Rail guide. Okay, that's the side. I guess that's how you do it. It's 200. Well, there's one actually.
Processing valuable object.
Can't believe it. There's still 4 more somewhere. You know, I might think about getting range increase on this.
Time is winding down, Cutter. Dig deep and let's finish strong.
There's something over there. It's orange, so I think that means furnace. Not that, this. It's a broken light.
Materials deposited.
No, it's processor. I was wrong. Oh, that's secure. Yeah, it's gone. 3.6, that was worth it. Okay, we're not going back out there. Yeah, I guess I'll just need to be more mindful when we're ejecting things into the barge.